And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and put on that post notification bell so you know when we upload another awesome video.
Hi y'all, welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. Today I'm making some smothered okra because it's super summertime. It's super hot out there and it's been reminding me of summers at my mama's house. And she used to have okra in her garden in the backyard. So first off, to make this okra, I've got some celery and onions chopped up. And actually have some bacon grease in this pan. So I'm going to saute these. Yeah, back in the day, my mama and papa had, at our other house actually, had a garden, and they always had okra and cantaloupes and all kinds of stuff, green beans, and I can just remember out there picking okra with her. So I have grown up with it and I love it, and we just feel like some country cooking today. And yesterday, speaking of country cooking, I made some country fried steak, and it was awesome. I never made it before. So I'll leave you a link for that up here in the info card. So I'm gonna let these go about 3-4 minutes, and then I'll be back and throw in that okra. This is so easy. Y'all, this is looking super good, and it sure smells good with that bacon grease. I know some people wouldn't like to use that, but it's just good. I'm sorry. So we got our okra today. We don't have any fresh, but we've got the frozen okra. This is a baby cut okra, so I want to see how this works out. This should be nice and tender. So I've got 3 packs of these, so I'm gonna put them in here, and we are going to let them cook. I'll put the lid on to be smothered okra. Smothered okra. Those look good. Yeah. Yeah, that looks like 2 is gonna do it for us. I'll put this one up. All right, so if some of you don't know what okra is, it's something that I use primarily when we're making gumbo, because I love okra in the gumbo. And sometimes it's hard to find fresh okra, so pretty much we get the frozen kind. And I wanted to tell you, it was 5 years ago this month that I was in Scotland, and I was in the supermarket, and lo and behold, there was some fresh okra, and I was so delighted. I had to buy it, and I went back to my little apartment and made me a small pot of gumbo. It was so good. So I love okra. Sometimes people don't like it because it's slimy, but if you cook it right, you get all that out. I'm stirring this about. You can already kind of see some of that slime is coming out, and that's what you want. So I'm gonna put the top on this. I've got it on a low heat, and I'm just gonna let this smother, and we'll see you in a minute. Okay, y'all, it's been about 45 minutes. I'm ready to eat, and Mike is doing the same thing, because we are gonna have our country fried steak and smothered okra for our country dinner. I'm so excited. So don't worry about the recipe. I'm going to put that for you down in the links below. I've got some smothered okra here, and just look at that. That is looking good. I just kept moving it around about every 5 minutes. And that is looking awesome. Okay, we thank you for watching Cajun Cooking TV. Be sure to check out our next video, and we'll see you next time.
It's a wrap.